Thanks for the invite. I'm not from the batch, by the way, so this was an outside invitation, so thank you so much to the people of Plug and Play. My name is Franco Jaquinto. I'm the CEO of Ipsum. We're a startup from Chile. So we created a software as a service for planning and managing construction projects based on lean construction and BIM methodologies combined. So the reality of the industry, you probably know this better than me, but more than 80% of the projects are behind schedule in an average of 4 to 5 months. And this is another analytic that's very important. More than 86% of construction companies in the US are saying that BIM is the future. And more than 70%, in fact, more than 80% are using lean construction as a day-to-day methodology to plan and execute their projects. So we create a software as a service that combines different silos from construction projects and start getting analytics from them, right? And we also integrate with the widely used solutions as Primavera, Project, Autodesk, and all those. So it's basically a platform for construction companies where you can start scheduling your project, combining it with Project and Primavera. We have a Kanban for activities, task management. We have mobile apps to gather information on site, whether it's observations, pictures, comments, whatever. And everything transforms into crystal clear analytics for project managers and obviously start getting more predictability with all the data that we're gathering, like, what's your name? Adam said, sorry. So we have a revenue model per project. We charge a monthly fee, unlimited users, unlimited data. The industry background, you probably know this better than me also. $15 trillion industry, it's growing on a yearly basis. And our total addressable market is a $6 billion according to our monthly fee and the amount of projects in the space that we're in. There's some competitors in the industry, but we're focused on how to take the lean construction methodology and apply it to the planning space and the scheduling. And we're also very powerful in combining this different elements as planning, QA/QC, documents, and then getting cross-data analytics. We're very strong in Latin America. Like I said, we're a startup from Chile, so we have clients in 7 countries. We're working with the biggest construction companies in Latin America. We're in about 120 projects from buildings, industrial plants, mining projects, and we're planning to grow in the US as well. We have some flagship projects in Latin America, huge mining projects, the biggest mining project in the world, shopping malls, buildings, like I said, very important projects in the industry. I'm going to go through this. We have an amazing team. We're 22 people. We have an office in Chile and an office in Peru, and we're growing very fast. We have experience both in construction and also in the software industry. We have an amazing board members. We have investors such as Manutara, part of the Draper Network, such as Cemex, one of the biggest cement companies in the world. And we've raised 1.2 million so far to start creating this platform and expanding in Latin America. And we're looking to raise 5 million now. We just opened our Series A. And we plan to open office here in the US, keep on growing in Latin America, and invest a lot in what's coming next. So at the moment, we're digitizing, gathering ridiculous amount of data, and now we're going to the space of machine learning, deep learning, and how to leverage on all this data that we're gathering on productivity, performance, progress, everything. So our strategy in the midterm and long term is get this platform to scale, Latin America and the US as well, and hopefully the world. And also building a network effect. So with all this data that we're gathering, try to create something that adds value to the industry. Benchmarking, predictive analytics, how to get all the information that we have from our actual clients, how to add more value to the real estate industry, to the construction industry. And our vision is we're just starting. We build a really powerful platform, but we want to become top 3 platforms for planning and scheduling in the world. And we want to be the platform for planning, as Procore is known as a platform for documents. And this is for a longer presentation to show that the industry is changing from manual drawing to now companies are using Revit and Autodesk and all the platforms. From manual managing documents to having platforms like Procore. We want to make that for the planning and scheduling space and create a platform to make it more efficient. Like Adam said, we're also being featured by CV Insights as one of the top 100 startups changing the industry worldwide, and we're the only one from Latin America. So that means that the industry is changing a lot. We've been getting a lot of feedback from investors, from construction companies, and we've seen the industry really changing the last 4 to 5 years. Thank you so much.